Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You joined me down at the storage yard checking on the van. A couple of weeks ago, Juliet and I went to the motorhome and caravan show at the NEC, and it was quite busy. Not as busy as it has been in the past, but nonetheless there was quite a good footfall, and there were some interesting and new things to see, which is why we go. Now, in order to go to the show and get a press pass, if that's what you want to call it, you have to become accredited, and accreditation means that you have to make a promotional video prior to going, and video while you're there, and usually now they've changed it, and a video afterwards. Now, with that in mind, the one at the show, that's time critical, so you tend to rush a little bit because you want to get as much in as possible, and then you need the time to actually edit the video. And we end up doing it either in a hotel room or rush back home, which is over 100 miles away, edit the video and put it out. And sometimes you'll sit back and watch it after you've edited it and think, I could have done that a bit better, but you've not had the time to do so. Now, with our latest video, there's a link there, we took a look at 3 new lightweight 4-berth caravans, and I didn't think we did it enough justice, purely on the fact that we didn't have enough time. So today's video, we're going to show you those 3 caravans again, but we're going to look at them in a little bit more detail. So have a look at this and I'll come back to you in a moment. So this is our first caravan that we'd like to take a look at. It's ideal for a young family, very lightweight, easy to tow. So we'll take a look inside, but it's the Bailey Discovery D44. Now, the MTPLM on this is quite light. I'll show you the details on the screen now. Family. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look inside and let you see the interior, see if it's something that would appeal to you. So I'm sat in the Bailey Discovery D44. This is a really light and airy and bright modern caravan. It's ideal for a family of 4. You've got a main bed for mum and dad, and at the front here we've 2 lounge seats which can be either turned into a double bed or 2 single beds for the kids. So an ideal starter van, and it's very lightweight to tow. So next on our list of lightweight family 4-berth caravans is the Xplore XC Lite. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this was the Xplore 304 originally, but it's had a revamp and I really do like it. And at the show at the moment, they're offering a motor mover free of charge. Let's go inside and have a look. Slightly different layout to the Bailey. We're looking at the Xplore's interior. It's very light, bright and airy, and it has this dinette. Now this dinette here will convert into a single bed, and above here we have another bunk which will pull down, making it bunk beds for the kids. At the front we have an L-shaped lounge, and that makes up into a double bed for mum and dad. So it's a perfect little starter van, this. It's very lightweight and it's reasonably priced. So this is the 2026 Sprite DB, and I personally think that this is probably one of the best young family vans that you can probably buy for 2026. It's a model and layout that's not been in circulation with Swift for quite a while now. We have a lounge for mum and dad to sleep in, makes up into a double bed. At the rear we've got a dinette, and also we've got a bunk above it so the kids can sleep at the back. The other thing I like about this is it's got a full-size bathroom. We're not stepping into the loo area and putting the shower over us. We've actually got a proper shower bed, so we can wash the kids down and get them ready for bed. Straight out the shower, straight into bed, and mum and dad can come and relax in the front, and that I really do like. It's got a nice privacy curtain as well for the kids, so that they can be shielded off, so mum and dad can relax and enjoy the rest of their evening. It's very well appointed, and I really do like this. Well folks, that is 3 reasonably priced Caravans that are lightweight and a 4-berth. Now they might not be everybody's cup of tea, but if you're new to this hobby and you want to buy a new one as opposed to a second-hand one, then they're pretty good choices, especially if you've got a young family. Thanks very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.